Got a hole in the collar, sleeve, or your favorite knit shirt? Hold on! Don't throw it away yet. You can fix it with just a needle and thread, and the result will stay neat, strong, and stretchy enough to move with the fabric. This method works great on knit materials, thermal tops, base layers, leggings, cuffs, even beanies and scarves. First, thread your needle. For the best result, use a slightly thicker thread in a matching color. That will make the repair stronger while keeping it almost invisible. Next, take a close look at the hole. Make 6 small reference marks around it, spaced as evenly as possible, like forming a tiny circle around the damaged area. Now start at point number 1. Push your needle in through that point. Move to point number 3 and bring the needle out through point number 2. After that, go in at point number 4 and come out right next to point number 3. Then go in at point number 5 and come out beside point number 4. Then go in at point number 6 and come out beside point number 5. Now guide the needle back toward point number 1 and bring it out right next to point number 6. If you're doing it right, you'll start to see a circular stitch pattern forming around the hole. Repeat that same pattern again, slowly, smoothly, and with even tension. After each stitch, gently pull the thread. You'll see the hole starting to close in from all sides. This is actually the same type of elastic-style stitch you'll see inside thermal clothing, base layers, and stretchy leggings. It's designed to move with the fabric, not against it. If the hole is a little bigger, just continue the circular pattern for another round until it's completely closed. If it's small, 1 or 2 rounds may already be enough. Once the hole is fully closed and the surface looks smooth, push the needle through to the inside of the garment. On the inside, tie a small, secure knot to lock everything in place. Trim off the excess thread. Now take a look at your work. On the inside, you'll see 2 neat parallel lines, strong and even. On the outside, the hole is gone. Clean, smooth, nearly invisible. No sewing machine, no special tools. Just one simple, smart stitching pattern that actually lasts. And the best part? You can now use the exact same technique on small holes in sleeves, collars, pants, cuffs, blankets, and other soft knit items. In just a few minutes, something that looked ruined is now completely wearable again. Simple, powerful, practical. And honestly, once you learn this, you'll never look at a small hole the same way again.